In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pending delivery confirmation on DHgate. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to a web browser and go to dhgate.com and log into your account. Now from here, you want to go to your orders section. So just hover your mouse right here and click on my orders. And you should see all of your orders right here. So in my case, I don't have any. So you should see your orders right here, and you should see a confirmation or pending confirmation right there. So what that does is that whenever you receive your item, you can now simply confirm that you have received your item, and the seller will now be able to receive his or her payment. But if in any case the product or item hasn't arrived for you, and you accidentally confirmed the delivery confirmation, what you can do is simply talk to the seller and tell them that you accidentally pressed confirm, but don't worry, the item will still be delivered to you because canceling a product is a really difficult process. So just talk to the seller and tell him or tell her that you've accidentally confirmed the delivery. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.